Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. The application was unable to start correctly and the error code is 0 into C 5 times 0 and 7B. Click on to close the application. If you are facing the issue in Windows 10 and 11 and even in other version of Windows 8, 7, this video is for you. I will show you quickly how we can fix this issue with the help of 3 steps. Now this issue occurs due to some C++ redistributor packages are not installed on our system or somehow they got corrupted. How we can fix this issue in this video I'm going to show you. You just need to open any browser and on the search you need to type as C++ redistributables, and I will link the Microsoft website into the description box directly, or you don't need to depend on me. You can just search here this Visual C++ redistributables and you just need to go to first link here and you need to download all the versions here. I should recommend you to go to the first link here. Just press Ctrl key on your system and open a new tab. Now leave this option only. This is for ARM only. Select both of the options here, choose the location, and basically you need to install all the redistributable packages on your system, 64-bit and also 86-bit. You don't need to confuse that I'm using 64-bit system, but this will help you to fix the issue, and this is the latest one. And now let's go with a one by one, all of them. Open this again, 86, choose the location, this one also. Since we don't know that which one is going to work for us, so that is the reason we are going to download all the packages here, and there is no harm to install them. You just select the location and download all of them one by one. It will take some time, but 80 to 90% your issue will be fixed after installing all the exe like this. And what you need to do is you just need to run these. Let's say you don't need to check which one is latest one, just select one by one and just need to install it. If it is already saying it is already installed, then you can repair it, or even you can uninstall the older one and then you can reinstall the fresh one. So this is the latest. We can start from this is the package C++ 2013. This one is done. Go for the second one, select it, install it. Successfully. It is already installed, so we can skip this option. It is already installed as well. Few applications are installed already on a system, then you can leave them and rest of the application you can install. 2025 here, this is the link, and just select it. This one, select it, and there we go. This one, next, select install. Finish, install. Now once all the exe are installed on your computer, just I recommend you to restart your Windows from here and then try. It will be surely fix your issue. If issue persists, so we can move on to the next step now. In next step, these command will restore your system settings as well as the file system corruption. In order to run these, you need to open your CMD as administrator, and this will repair the file corruption on your Windows. And try hit this command first. I will link this command into my description box. Simply hit this, and once it is completed, okay, you need to run this command. And this is the image. Dism command will restore your corrupted image on your Windows, but make sure the sfc command is completed, then you can hit this command and thereafter restart again your Windows and see if that is able to fix your issue or not. If these two solutions are not working, then we can consider that our .NET is corrupted on our system. Open your control panel simply, or you can search here turn Windows feature on or off, turn Windows feature, and open this. It will take some time. Basically, we need to untick these applications .NET 3.5 and .NET 4.8 or latest version, and we need to untick them. And once it is untick, restart your Windows and then go back to the same menu again and tick all the boxes there. It is not opening. I'm going to restart my system and then I will show you. Just restarted the laptop again. Now it is opening. Now what you need to do is 3.5 is this one. Expand this option and take a screenshot for your safer side, so that you need to see the which options were ticked, and now save it on the desktop like this. And once you save it, later on you can tick the same options again. Let's say you untick this option and now you have the screenshot, then later on just turn it on, and the 4.8 also expand that option, and here are, you can see there are few more options. One is this one, and this one default. Take the screenshot of this as well, 4.8, and save it on the desktop for later for your reference. Okay, and untick the options as well. And once you untick all the options 4.8 and 3.0, 3.5, untick that, click on OK, and later come on to same website here. Let me show you as well the same options so that you can follow the guide properly. And this option will repair our .NET 8 inbuilt framework on our Windows. And this is advanced step and very powerful step to fix the issue. Now it is done. So restart your Windows and come over to the same website there. Turn Windows feature on or off, and we have already taken the screenshot there, this one. This one is for 3.5. The first option is only highlighted, then first option is only highlighted, and select the 4.8, and it is already tick here. Three options are already tick, so we can recheck that. Same options were already ticked there, 1, 2 and 3, and now you can click on OK, and these will be reinstalled on your system, and by this way .NET framework will be repaired on your Windows. But make sure you restart your Windows and then perform this step. So this is the video guys, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.